Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Tolan alien best friend how to play. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Tolan app, and then here you are role playing as a Tolan alien best friend. If you're role playing with Tolan alien as your best friend, then here are some tips for playing, like personality and traits, friendly and gentle, and unique language, curious and adventurous, and problem solver. In order to interact with them, embrace the best friend dynamic. Your Tolan alien could offer advice, support, and even humorous commentary to make them feel like an integral species or caring character. If the Tolan alien is part of futuristic or alien world, they might help guide you through new unknown spaces or introduce you to new alien customs. In a friendship scenario, both characters could learn from each other culture or abilities, such as Tolan alien teaching you about the species history or technology, then playing a Tolan alien in a game. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.